Okay, so the first thing you should think of in regards to exponents is repeated multiplication. The exponent always tells you how many times to multiply to the base together. In my example, a to the b power, a is considered the base and b is considered the exponent. So you'd multiply a together b times. So in our first example here of 8 squared, that's just telling us to multiply 8 by itself 2 times. Square is one that you've probably done before, and it's definitely the easiest of our exponents. So 8 times 8 is 64. 2 to the 5th belongs to an important class of exponents called the powers of 2, and it's just multiplying 2 together 5 times. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And so the exponent's 5, so we have 5 2's together. There's multiple ways that you can multiply this out. One way would just be to do the first 3 2's together, and it's pretty easy to see that that's 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. And then the last 2's together, which is 2 times 2, which is 4. So you get 8 times 4, which equals 32. And then finally you have 5 to the 4th. 5 to the 4th is just 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. And when you do 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, well, you can do it like we did before, which is pick 2 pairs. So 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 5 is 25. So now 5 to the 4th is the same as 25 times 25, which just equals 625. So the value of 5 to the 4th is 625. Now you don't always have to use just integers. You can have a fraction. 1/4 to the 3rd is just 1/4 times 1/4 times 1/4, which means we multiply the numerators together, so it's like 1 times 1 times 1, which is just 1. And then 4 times 4 times 4, or 4 to the 3rd, which 4 times 4 is 16, times another 4 is 64. So 1/4 to the 3rd power is 1 over 64. So again, just think of it as repeated multiplication and then do the calculations.